I shut down the unit like 4 minutes ago. The fan ran normally for 2-3 minutes, and after start to run very high. And it's already 5 minutes since I shut down the unit, so I think the controller is damaged, is defective. As I mentioned before, and in the other video you can see the remote control. This doesn't work. Now it's decreasing the speed. Now shut it down. Here, if I try to use the remote control to turn on, I press in 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. So the remote control, the panel, they are one of the two or both are damaged.